Hey history fans! Ever wondered what incredible, weird, and game-changing events took place on October 29th? From legendary battles and political milestones to inventions that changed the world, this day has seen it all. So hit that subscribe button, grab your popcorn, and get ready for an exciting journey through time as we uncover 20 fascinating events that make October 29th one for the history books. Number 20. October 29th, 1618. Sir Walter Raleigh is executed in London for treason. He quips to his executioner, "Strike, man, strike. Humor till the very end. Wit under the axe prevails." Number 19. October 29th, 1787. Mozart's opera, Don Giovanni, premieres in Prague. Music gains a mischievous maestro. The world witnesses a timeless masterpiece blending drama and comedy in operatic form. Number 18. October 29th, 1901. Leon Czolgosz, assassin of President McKinley, is executed by electric chair. Justice served with a jolt. A shocking end to a tragic presidential saga. Number 17. October 29th, 1923. The Republic of Turkey is proclaimed. Mustafa Kemal Atatürk becomes its first president. A nation hits the reset button, embracing modernization and secular reforms. Number 16. October 29th, 1929. Black Tuesday. U.S. stock market crashes, signaling the start of the Great Depression. Wall Street takes a dramatic plunge into global economic hardship. Number 15. October 29th, 1945. First ballpoint pen goes on sale in the U.S. at Gimbels department store. Writing gets a slick new twist. Ink flows smoothly, and penmanship evolves. Number 14. October 29th, 1956. Suez Crisis begins as Israel invades Egypt's Sinai Peninsula. International tensions sail into uncharted waters during the Cold War era's geopolitical chess game. Number 13. October 29th, 1960. Cassius Clay, later Muhammad Ali, wins his first professional fight. The boxing world meets its future greatest. A legend's journey kicks off in the ring. Number 12. October 29th, 1966. National Organization for Women, NOW, holds its first national conference. Feminism takes center stage. The fight for gender equality gains momentum. Number 11. October 29th, 1967. Expo 67 closes in Montreal after a spectacular run. The world's fair waves au revoir. A showcase of innovation leaves lasting impressions. Number 10. October 29th, 1969. First ARPANET message sent between UCLA and Stanford. The internet says its first "Hello World." A technological milestone launches the digital age. Number 9. October 29th, 1971. Duane Allman, guitarist and co-founder of the Allman Brothers Band, dies in a motorcycle accident. Music loses a Southern rock legend prematurely. Number 8. October 29th, 1998. John Glenn, at age 77, becomes oldest person to fly in space aboard Space Shuttle Discovery, proving age is just a number, in orbit no less. Number 7. October 29th, 2004. European Union leaders sign the European Constitution in Rome. Europe attempts to unite under one big legal umbrella, fostering deeper integration efforts. Number 6. October 29th, 2008. Delta Airlines merges with Northwest Airlines, creating the world's largest airline at the time. The friendly skies get cozier and more connected. Number 5. October 29th, 2012. Hurricane Sandy makes landfall in New Jersey, causing widespread damage. A superstorm leaves its mark on the U.S. Northeast, prompting massive recovery efforts. Number 4. October 29th, 2015. China ends its one-child policy, allowing couples to have 2 children. Baby fever hits the Middle Kingdom, a significant population policy shift. Number 3. October 29th, 2018. German Chancellor Angela Merkel announces she won't seek re-election as CDU leader. A political era approaches its end in Europe's powerhouse nation. Number 2. October 29, 2019, UK Parliament backs Prime Minister Boris Johnson's call for a general election. Political chess moves set the stage for Brexit's next chapter. Number 1. October 29, 2020. NASA's SOFIA discovers water on the sunlit surface of the moon. Lunar exploration gets a refreshing update with this groundbreaking finding. Thanks for joining us on this exciting ride through the unforgettable events of October 29th. If these mind-blowing historical facts kept you on the edge of your seat, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell for more captivating moments from history. Share your favorite event in the comments and let us know which historical moments you'd love to see next. Stay tuned for more adventures with Today in History.